The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Wallace County, southwestern Sherman County in northwestern Kansas until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles south of Rulton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Wallace and southwestern Sherman counties. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Sherman and Wallace.